All right, the guys are back. We've got food. Oh, wow. Those are massive bags of food. Holy smokes. How much do each of those weigh? A lot. Wow, great job, guys. Okay, let's unload these. And we've got a bunch of salt. We got salt for people, and we've got soap, and we've got lots of big sacks coming in. I gotta help these guys. Yeah. Wow. This is like a crazy amount of stuff.
Too heavy. No.
What is in that one?
Feels like beans.
Ah. Does seem heavy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Shoot, we need a bag, eh? Wow, these bags are crazy heavy. Wow. Videoing. Well, we got it down, but get that bucket out. Sorry. Here. This is the last one.
Oh, the messiest one.
Oh my gosh. Got this crazy beast. This is beans. Oh.
Close.
We can start with that one. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. Well, as you can see, nothing is easy in Africa. I'm floored at the quantity of stuff here that we've gotten. And yeah, we're gonna get it all into packages here and get this distributed out to families ASAP. We have they have a list of vulnerable people, the ones who sort of need it the most, the first. We'll start focusing on those guys, and then we'll just keep going. And yeah, thanks so much to everyone who has contributed. Yeah, my heart is full. I'm so happy that they were able to help these guys out, because there's some serious suffering going on here. It's the longer we're here, the more we see, and it's real, definitely real. Hey guys. So, wow, thank you so much. You know, less than 24 hours ago, I was sitting and listening to our host tell me that there's people starving, and I had an immediate thought of, what the hell can I do about it? You know, how does one person or two people stop starvation? But we've done it. Yeah, as of right now, we've raised about $3,000 Canadian. Chris went in with the guys this morning. We bought all the stuff you've seen in the video. And now the real work of packing it up and separating it and putting it into parcels and this kind of thing is going to start. So we'll be working on that this evening. We might be able to get out a couple packages, 4 p.m. here now, so I'm not sure, but we might be able to get a few packages out this evening. If not, we'll be starting first thing in the morning, and we'll try to do at least 40 families tomorrow. We're gonna have to do it door to door. they because of COVID, they don't want big gatherings. They don't want people coming here to get stuff. And, you know, with people start hearing that we're giving out food, it could cause problems. So we're just going to take bundles from door to door, person to person, and make sure that each household is getting their allotted amount. So we're told this should be enough to feed them a week to even 2 weeks, the amount that we've purchased so far. And we spent well over $1,000. So yeah, we ended up getting them soap because a lot of them don't even have soap to clean their clothes or clean themselves for that matter, and salt. People don't even have salt right now. So we got everyone a package of salt and soap, cassava flour, corn flour, beans, and yeah, that's the extent of it. So yeah, we're on the move here, and thank you so much to everybody who has contributed. We're gonna need more. I can just see it already. You know, this is gonna last a little while, but it's not gonna last forever. So if you can e-transfer me, if you're Canadian, to the address below, or I'll link the GoFundMe campaign below the video as well. Thank you so much. We really appreciate all the support you guys have shown. This has just been so heartwarming to be part of. You know, our host just keeps thanking us, and I just feel like this is just, we're just meant to be here. We're supposed to be here at this time to help these people. It's just, I can feel it in my bones. So yeah, thanks guys. Take care. We'll keep you posted.